Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today's video is all about Poundland. Yes, you've saw this bag before. It's the reusable bags that you can get. I'm trying to reduce in my plastic and use reusable bags where I can. So I love this bag. It's one of my favorites. But everything inside this bag is from Poundland. And we're going to go ahead, just pull this off so I have room to show you guys all of the fun, new and fun products that we've bought. Guys, I am obsessed with cleaning products. I love disinfectant, I love bleach. You will find all of these things in my house. As soon as the bottle gets half done, I go and I buy another one, so I have it. This little product is massive. Little product, it's a litre. You're getting a litre of disinfectant for £1. In this day and age with coronavirus and other viruses, having disinfectant around the house is definitely a plus. So that's pretty awesome. You guys are probably not so interested in my disinfectant, but I do love my disinfectants. I love all of my little cleaning products. Fabulosa has become one of my ultimate purchases in cleaning products. Anytime I go shopping. Poundland do it, B&M sell it, Home Bargains sell it. These are all Poundland items. This is lemon drizzle spray and wear. This is almost like I can't remember the word of the real or the name of the real product, but this Fabulosa is your it's your deodorizer for all of your clothes. I use this on my cushions, my cushion covers, because it smells amazing. It lasts for such a long time, and it has it kills 99% of bacteria and viruses, which we currently need. The smell of lemon drizzle is to die for. It smells, it's got such a fine spray. You guys can see it, and it smells like cake. How could you not use this in your home? This is great for bedspreads. It's great for your clothes, things that you would wear every day, your coat, your scarf, things like that. I love Fabulosa products. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys use the Fabulosa and what you actually think of it. Next little item is more lemon drizzle Fabulosa. This is the concentrated disinfectant. It smells divine. Love this for my floors, and you can make 10 liters of disinfectant. Guys, I think sometimes when I first started buying this stuff, I just pour half a bottle in, and then I read that it is actually concentrate. So make sure that you read the instructions at the back, and this product does actually last a long, long time. I'm in love with all of the Fabulosa products at the moment. The next thing that we have are a couple more beauty products. I have never tried this Oral-B Gum Line Purify Deep Clean Toothpaste, so I thought I would give it a go. It apparently reduces plaque, even at the gum line. It targets hard pieces or targets hard to reach places, and it cools gums during brushing. So you're getting in this pack 75 milliliters. I think that's pretty decent for £1. I definitely give you guys an update on what I think of this toothpaste. I usually tend to go for the charcoaly type toothpaste, so this one will be definitely new to me. I got this bar of Eco soap because I've never tried it before. And again, guys, once I have tried it, I will update you in the comments. But this is a one bar of Feel Good, Social Enterprising, Better Considered Triple Milled Organic Soap in the scent Spring Meadow. You're getting 100 grams for your money. We love the fact that it is very eco-friendly. So yeah, it's just a bar of little soap that I can keep in my bathroom, but because it's eco-friendly, I definitely thought I'd pick it up and try it so I can show you guys. What else do we have in here? Guys, you've seen these on my channel before. I love these little fidgets. I purchased this for my nephew because he likes fidget toys. And it's pocket money toys. They only cost £1, and they're connectable, so you can get multitudes of other colors. He has hundreds of these things and just connect them up, and they're so much fun and very relaxing and satisfying. So that's another fun little product. The next thing that I purchased, and I've got my red nail polish on it already, you can see it right up here, is this natural Alchemist Hydrating Face Gel Mask. I do love a good face mask, and I love when something is eco-friendly, it's gluten-free, it's got no parabens, and it's vegan-friendly, so that's definitely awesome. I love avocados, so that works out perfectly. This little face gel, you're getting 100 grams, and it's got avocado oil, which replenishes. It's got dragon fruit to brighten your skin, and it's got it's hydrating. So this for me is definitely a bonus. £1, I think that's pretty decent. And again, guys, once I've used it, I'll give you an update on an update in the comments section. Guys, the next little item I purchased, I love Poundland's makeup. I don't know if you've ever tried it. I'm not a fan of everything, but I'm a fan of definitely some things. And I love when you get a duplicate pack. You're getting 2 items for £1, which I think is outstanding value. In this little pack, the pack is totally destroyed, but inside the pack, you're getting 2 items. You're getting a Whipped Velvet MUA Luxe Lip Gloss. In this, the color of this is here. I don't know how to pronounce that. Chai. This is definitely not a color for me. It looks a lot different on screen than it does in real life. It's very orange. It's definitely not for me, but I'm still happy to have it. I mean, I will put this in a giveaway, or I can put it into a charity box. I purchased this pack because of the little eyebrow Longwear sculpting gel. I just thought this would be interesting. I've never tried any eyebrow gels before. And inside this little pack, I'll show you guys. Oh, let's get it out. It's just this little pot of gel. Think. Oh, you've got your eyebrow brush. It's very, very thin. I probably wouldn't use this brush, but you do get your brush from the top. And then inside, you've got your little pot of gel. Now, I'm going to just test the color. My eyebrows, I do tend to like quite dark. So this little gel would be perfect for me. This was the only, I'm just going to take the rest of that off the brush. This was the only color that was available. This will work out well for me. I mean, I wouldn't go as thick as I have here. I would do it a little bit more delicately, but I am definitely ecstatic to have this little item. And for £1, well, 50p, I think it's pretty decent value. So guys, some more little fun stuff that we've got. I haven't had one of these lollipops in, I can't even remember how long, but I think they're adorable and so cute. And they take forever to eat. It is this little rainbow swirl lolly. They're £1. These are great little stocking fillers if you guys are looking something for Christmas to pop into a stocking, and they're a bit of a showstopper because they are huge. You're getting 120 grams of candy in this little lolly. And I love the fact that it came with the net to keep it from getting broke. I did notice a couple that when I was in that had got broken. I obviously sift through the box to get one of the ones that wasn't broken. But I think this is pretty fun, and will make a nice little addition to any little stocking. Something fun just to have snacky, maybe Christmas Eve. The next little item I purchased, guys, this one actually isn't even from Poundland. This one is from Home Bargains. It has fallen into this little bag, but I'm going to show you it anyway. This is the Wexford & Co. 6 decorative scent sticks. They are for your Christmas tree. You hang them. Oh, the smell is so good. You hang these, you get the little hooks inside, and you hang them from your Christmas tree to give it a little Christmas scent. These do come in another scent. I think it was, I'm not actually sure what it was, but I really, really like this one. I opened both, smelt them. I really like the mulled wine, and I think that will be a lot of fun. You're getting, how many sticks? 6 decorative sticks inside that little tin, and that's just going to give a Christmas scent to your house, which is a lot of fun. I don't know how that accidentally popped into my bag. Maybe because I went to both shops. These are so much fun. I love Toffee Crisps, and I purchased this pack of orange Toffee Crisps. I've never tasted them before, but you're getting 4 in a pack for £1, which I thought was quite fun. Again, these are great to just pop into a little Christmas stocking, but I am so going to enjoy these. I'll let you guys know if they are as good as I believe they're going to be. Next little item is so cute. This is a rainbow bath spaghetti. It is scented body spaghetti, 60 grams. It is a massive pack, and I've bought this before just in one color. But I think this is super cute. Now, guys, these are £1.50 in Poundland. And you guys know not everything in Poundland is £1 anymore. And that's still okay because I think this is still good value for money. And these little bath spaghettis, you can use them as soap, or you can put them in your bath, all the different colours, and let it seep into your bath, and it makes a lovely, cool little bubble bath. But they're so cute and so adorable, and I love that iridescent packaging. I think it's so cute. The next item that I purchased are these pop bath fizzers. These pop bath fizzers I've seen in tons of places. These are $1.99 for a box. I loved the fact that they came in a box that looks like it's for popcorn. I just thought that was so unique and so fun, and I love the little iridescent packaging as well. But inside the box, if we can open the box, I think I brought scissors. Yes, I did. It's always good when you're prepared in advance. I am not always prepared in advance. But I don't want to destroy the box, but I do want to open them and show you guys what's inside, because I haven't seen it either. Let's just see if we can get it opened. They've sealed this box up really well. No one was getting inside this without opening it. Let's have a look and see if we can pop it open. Oh, I'm totally destroying the box. Oh well. Inside the box, oh my gosh, it is packed full of Bath Fizzers. We have got Bath Fizzers, oh my goodness, for days. So you're getting a set of 8. These are strawberry scented. They are so nice and fresh. They just feel like berries, or they smell like berries. I love the fact that you're getting 8. 8 for $1.99 for this little box, I think is pretty awesome. And I love the fact that it comes in this super cute, adorable little packaging. I'm loving the range of Christmas editions that Poundland currently have available. They have some really awesome little dupes. They have some awesome little just fun things that you can put in stockings or you can make hampers with. So I'm loving Poundland's range at the minute. The last 2 items that I purchased in Poundland in this haul are 2 of these very smooth strawberry foaming bath salts. One I've got for a gift, and another one I've got for myself. I loved the rainbow effect. I thought it was super pretty. And it's just smooth berry, strawberry foaming bath salts. So I'm going to open one because I intend to keep one of these for myself. Look at how gorgeous the color is. It's so vibrant. Smells exactly like strawberry. It is a really thick salt. And it's taking off that eyebrow gel that I have on my hand with no issues whatsoever. It smells so good. I cannot wait to have a shower and use this fully in the shower. And I will give you guys an update on how I thought this product went. This is probably one of my favorite because I love the color. I love the container. And guys, I never throw these containers out. Once they're done, I take the sticker from the top and anywhere else there's a sticker. And I reuse these little pots for other bath salts that come in packaging. So these are also really, really useful storage ideas. But I am super, super happy. These little very smooth bath salts are currently $1.50. I know a lot of things in Poundland have the prices increased, but that's to do with inflation, the cost of living. Everything's much more expensive. But I'm still happy to pay $1.50 for this little body scrub. I think it is awesome. And the smell, oh my God, the smell is to die for. Well, guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. I really, really hope you guys had fun. I had a ton of fun, not only buying this stuff to show you, but also I'm going to have so much fun getting to use this stuff. So if you guys have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. I always do my utmost to come back to you as soon as I possibly can. And in the meantime, and while we're waiting for my future video, I hope you guys stay safe. Please definitely take care. Please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.